Dear students, so we will solve the second question. What is second question? This is a whole set of alphabet analogy. So we are saying that B to C. We are writing here the second question. We are writing here B B T Z K is to C E H L C H L. Okay. So at first we have to find out what is the logic why we are writing this. We can see that from B to C we are just adding 1. From D to E we are just adding 1. From G to H we are just adding 1. And from K to L we are just adding 1. So what is the logic? The logic is the next letter or next alphabet we are getting by adding 1. So we can say that we can say that we are just learning this question. We can say that the second group of letters, the second group of letters we are getting after adding 1. So we can say that we will just subtract minus 1, we will just subtract minus 1, we will just subtract minus 1. So D minus 1 C, F minus 1 E, I minus 1 H, M minus 1 L. So the first option will be the correct one. The first option will be correct. We will not kill our time in examination to check the other option. If we got success in getting clue of the alphabets, then we will just consider the two options. Here, the letter started with C, E, C are only to be answered. So we will only check 1 and 2, not go to the option third and fourth. So remember my words. So let us move to the another question. Question number 3. Question number 3. We will erase all the things so it can visualize very good. So now we are moving to the next question. So the next question, question number 3 is, look, each and every question we will think like the similar way. A to B, how much we are adding? Just adding plus 1. Just adding plus 1. Plus 1. C to D plus 1. E to F plus 1. G to H plus 1. So when we got the logic, we are adding just plus 1. Just moving the next alphabet. So C to D, D to E, G to H, I to J, D, E, H, J. Sorry, E to F, E to F, D, F, H, J. So D, F, H, J. One thing I would like to suggest to dear children, dear students, that please do not be do or do not do the same thing for all alphabets. Just go check to the option. It will reduce to your time. So we will done this. So next we will further move question number 4. Question number 4. So what is the question number 4? It is saying, if square is coded E X X, then triangle is what? So let us think how S become T, how S become T. We are seeing that S. S from S to T we are adding 1 because the next alphabet is T of S. Q. So how we will get Q to S? So we are adding 2. Good. How you will get X? So we are adding U, V, W, X. 3. How A to E? How A to E? So A, B, C, D, E. So B, C, D, E. We are adding 4. So what is the logic behind this? Just adding at first 1, again 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on. So we will do like this. So T, when we add T to 1, so it will become U. All the 4 options are U. Good. R. R, when we add R to 2, R, S, T. So good. Again, all the options are T. I, we have to add 3. I, J, K, L. All the options are L. Good. No worry, don't worry. A. A, we will add 4. A, B, C, D, E. So, E. Option 1 is wrong. Again, all the option left with E. So, what you will do? We are adding plus 1, we are adding plus 2, we are adding plus 3, we are adding plus 4, we are adding plus 5, we are adding plus 6, we are adding plus 7, we are adding plus 8. So how we will reduce our time in examination? This is the most important question. So check all the option U, T, L, E, S, U, T, L, E, S, U, T, L, E, S. All the option from here is the same. The only letter which is the only alphabet which is deciding M. So M, G. G, how much we will add? G, 6. H, I, J, K, L, F, M. So we will left with option 3 and 4. Again, in GLE, in option 3rd and 4th, the MS here is also MS, here is also MS. So only we have to verify M and N, which option will be correct. So when we add E to 8, position of E plus 8. So E, position of E is what? 5. 5 plus 8 is 30. 13. And value of 13 will be, which letter value, place value is 13. So it will be M. So option number 3. It was a good question because all the options were very similar. We have to wait till the last that which one is going to be finalized in terms of option. So it will be better to do the question in terms of option. So next we will do the next question. So next question, what is? The next question, the next question is question number 5. What is question number 5? Just check the logic. In certain code, smart is written as, I write here, smart is written as R, A, X, N, O. So we can say that from R to S plus 1, A to M plus 2, X, Y, Z, A plus 3, N, M, N, O, P, Q, R plus 4, O to T, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T plus 5. If you are good at addition, then just 2. Come from backward to forward. If you are good at subtraction, then go from forward to backward. Up to you. If we go from forward to backward, we will have to subtract -1, -2. This was the thinking, how you will think. That's why I have been saying repeatedly. So similar, see the both are similar. Only this is I am going to in the forward direction. So how we will write, how great will be coded? Great will be coded how it is t minus 5, a minus 4, e minus 3, r minus 2, z minus 1. So we will do by through the option. Why? Because it will reduce our time. It will reduce our time. So here option will be given. Option will be given. Perhaps in the next page, option will be given. So perhaps in the next page, oh sorry, in the another half, the option is given. So what will we just take to the option? Good. So in the last word, we are just subtracting, reduce the look. So what will happen in the last word? We are subtracting 5, t minus 5. So it will be O, P, Q, R, S. No, first option will be not. Next, T, T minus 5 will be what? M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. Okay. So option could will be O. Okay. Next, G minus 1, E, F, G. So option 2 will be correct. Option 2 will be correct. Not 1, option 2 will be correct. Hope you will understand what I wanted to say you. Next question will be move further. This is a complete question set of phonology, pattern of phonology, alphabet phonology, you can say in categorized manner. So this is a alphabet phonology. Next question, we will go move question number 6. Question number 6. So mate is written mate. So we are saying that M we will add 1, it will become N. And next three alphabets just remain kept, just remain at their position. So we will do in the similar fashion because of we got to know the pattern. So F become E, M become N. So E F G, F become G. So again G A T E, G A T A. So option will be gate. Option will be gate. But here it is not given. Here it is not given. So it became misprint. So here it will be G A T E, gate. Next we will move question number 7. How it will come? GPLS will come 54. So I write here. I write here. So how GPLS become 54? Remember my words. Whenever you whenever you got this type of question where alphabets become digit, then only you have to write the position of all the alphabets. I have already discussed how we will take the position of all the alphabets through the help of, through the trick of, through the mnemonic of EJOT. EJOT, what it said? Position of each alphabet, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So S is very close to T. So T, if we subtract one position from T, it will become 19. What is the position of L? It is very close to J. So J is 10. So L will be 12. What is the position of P? P is very close to O. So P is just next of 4. So it will be 16. What is G? G is nothing but we can say that G can be write this 7. So it will be 7. So first thing we will just add and check it whether it is coming 54 or not. So we will add each number, we will add position of all the alphabets. It will be 19 plus 10, 29 plus 2, 31, 32, 31 plus 10, 41, 41 plus 6, 47, 47 plus 7. It will be 54. Dear children, dear students, we will do each and everything mentally. So it is 54. So what we have to do? We have to do what we are getting the logic. We have to do all the place value of alphabets. So K is nothing but 11. S is nothing but 18. Sorry, S is nothing but 19 because of it is just one before T. G is nothing but 7. Where I am giving also some tricks. W is nothing but 23. W is nothing but 23. When we add all the position, so 20 plus 23 plus 7, 30, 30 plus 19, it will be 49, and 49 plus 11, it will be 60. So answer will be 60. So while dealing this type of question, what we will do? We will do just write the position of each alphabet. And the first thing you should keep in your mind that either it could be addition, either it could be some operation. So what is operation? It could be addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, square, cube of anything. But if the number you are getting small, means that it is adding. So how you will get this type of feeling in your mind? When we will do more practice, when we will do more practice. So it's very important to do more practice while taking this type of question. Once you do more practice, then one day you will become very expert to doing this type of question. Now we will move further question. So we will take the further question. So question number 8 we will take. What is the question number of question number 8? We will check. In certain code, NAP is written NZO. So I have already told in this book, when you go through this book of Oswald publication of this book, I have discussed about the mnemonics. How we will check? I have already said, as you said, and so I said, mane. I have given the trick. I have given the trick. You are watching Kumud Max YouTube channel developed by Kumud Ranjan. So MN. So mane. So when you see that mane means reverse of n is n and reverse of m is n. In the similar way, what is AZ? The reverse of A is Z and Z reverse of Z is A. Next, what is OP? OP. OP means what? It is OP. So here it is not reverse. It is only adding, or if we go from left to right, it will just subtracting -1. So uh, so the questions will be framed on the basis of reverse, but here it is not on the basis of reverse. Two alphabets are on the basis of reverse, and the one remaining alphabet are just subtracted. In the similar way, we will check is it correct question set by not, say question is set or not, frame is not. So S N double E Z E. So what is what is that? Yeah, if the look what I was saying that it could be reverse of this. It could be reverse of this. So the reverse of A is Z, Z is reverse of A. But another way we can also think that it could be just less than 1. It could be just less than 1. So initially we in our mind it can become that two or three logics, but after some time it we will reduce our logic into the exact one. So we are just subtracting -1, we are just subtracting -1, we are just subtracting what is -1. So what is the logic? Only we have to subtract -1. So s -1 are n -1, m e -1, b e -1, b. So z -1, y. So it will be option number B. Just subtracting. Just subtract. The question could be like this. If I was the question setter, then I like to set the question like this. If NAP is written in this handset K, then what is the code of snitch? What is the code of snitch? So I have written the logic of reverse alphabet. So reverse of S is I have already said. Reverse of I have already said. Reverse of S is HS, higher secondary. Reverse of N is mane. If is EVM, E is EVM, Z is what? Z is A and E is EVM. So if I would like to set out of this question, then I would like to set this type of question. Perhaps here it is. So we will move further. We will move further. Hope you will be getting all the dear children, all the question beautifully. If any doubt have you got, then just comment. Just make a comment in the comment section. Next question. Why are PEOP? Look, what is he has written? Y R E E O P. So how what is he is doing? The examiner is doing what? He is written the reverse way. We will write to the reverse P O P T R Y. In this way we will write. So in the similar way you have to check. So it is not E theory. So it should be start with Y. It is also not. Always try to solve the question through the options. So it will be beautifully, you can easily able to solve the question. So it is also not T, T H E O R Y. So it will be answer. In word analogy or in the alphabet analogy, only you have to crack the trick. Once you crack the trick or logic, then it will be easily you can solve the question. Dear children, we are moving in the next page, in the next question, in the next paper of the question. So we will discuss here question number 10. Question number 10. Where you will get any problem, just pause your video and just remind and check the logic. What happened? I have been described. We will do the question number 10. It is saying 7. 7. 7 is written T, F, W, and Q. So what is 7 is coded from S to T, P, Q, R, S to T, E to F. We are just adding 1. We are just adding 1. We are just adding 1 when we move from in the forward direction. In the forward direction. So we will do this 9 and 9. So in 9, when we add 1, so you can check M N O I A B C D F G H I J N O E F. So which option is correct? O J O F. O J O F. Always try to solve through the option. Always try to solve through the option. It will be better. Next question we will do question number 11. Question number 11. What is question number 11? Question number 11, what is? In the similar way, we will do the all the question. At first, we will take the question number 11. Question number 11. Question number 11. So look, question number 11. EF, EF, GH. We are adding plus 2. A, A, A to E. A, B, C, D, E plus 4. V, V. So V to T, it is just subtracting minus 2. So what is happening? At first we are adding 2, 4, minus 2. Again we check the same logic which continuing or not. GH, I, J, K plus 2. It is going on good. E to I. E, F, G, H, I plus 4. Good. Very good. Again we are saying it is T to Q. T we have to subtract minus 2. Minus 2. So it will be Q. So logic is, at first we are adding 2, again 4, again just subtracting minus 2, minus 2. So again, so what will happen? K, when we add K to 2, it will become M, sorry, K, L, M, good. Next, plus 4, I, J, K, L, M, it will become M, good. Q minus 2, Q minus 2, it will become M, Q minus 2, O. So it will become O. So options would be M and O. Options should be M and O. So it is not in option. Don't worry. Just change your option. It will be M, M, O. It will be M and O. So we will move in the further next question.